Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to knit this beautiful stitch pattern. You can use this pattern in your lady sweater, baby sweater, cardigan and lady shawl as well. See, this is the way it looks like. See, wrong side looks like this. So this is only 14 rows repeat pattern and you need to cast at multiples of 14 and plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 14 plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 30 stitches on my needle, which is 14 plus 14 28 and plus 2 edge stitch 30. So row 1 right side, purl all stitches. Because this is right side, so knit your edge stitch through the back loop and purl all stitches. Finish this row with all purl stitches. Edge stitch on the right side, knit. So we have done our row 1. Row 2 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 3 right side, purl all stitches. Knit your edge stitch through the back loop and purl all stitches for row 3 right side. We have finished our row 3. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Purl all stitches. Row 5 purl all stitches. Row 6 purl all stitches. Row 7, now row 7, knit all stitches. Knit your edge stitch through the back loop and knit all stitches. Knit all stitches. We have done our row 7. Row 8 wrong side. For row 8 wrong side, slip your edge stitch purl wise on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Purl 7, 2, 4, 6, 7. Purl 7, yarn over like so, purl wise, yarn over, purlwise, and then purl 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. That's the repeat from here to here. From here to here, for repeat pattern we have done purl 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, yarn over, purl 7, 2 4 6 7. This is the repeat pattern. You will repeat this repeat pattern. Repeat that again. We have one more repeat. Sorry, we have one more repeat. Purl 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, purl 7, yarn over, purl 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. And your last edge stitch, slip on the wrong side. Row 9. For row 9, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, SSK means slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, and knit these two together through the back loop. SSK, and then knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5, knit 5, and then here for this yarn over we're gonna make 6 stitch here with knit 1, purl 1, right? So we're gonna make 6 stitch here, knit 1 1, purl 1 2, knit 1 3, purl 1 4, 2 more, knit 1 5, and purl 1 6 stitch. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and knit 2 together. Knit these two together. That's the repeat from here to here. SSK, knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and then make 6 here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and knit 2 together. This is the repeat pattern. You will repeat that again. Repeat that again. SSK, slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, and knit these two together through the back loop. SSK, knit 5, 1 2 3 4 5, knit 5, and make 6 here, knit 1, purl 1 2, knit 1 3, purl 1 4, knit 1 5, and purl 1 6, and then knit 5, 1 2 3 4 and 5, knit 5, and then knit 2 together, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 10. For row 10, slip your edge stitch purlwise on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Purl 2 together, purl these 2 together, purl 14, 1 2 3 4, and these 6 stitch, 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. Purl 14, and then SSP here. SSP means it's like SSK on the wrong side. SSP means you slip 1 knit twice and slip 2 knit twice, and now you knit, purl these 2 together through the back loop. Through the back loop, not through the front loop, through the back loop. SSP. And on the wrong side, your SSP looks like this. See? So that's the repeat we have done. For repeat pattern we have done from here to here. For repeat pattern we have done purl 2 together and purl 14, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and SSP. Repeat that again. Purl 2 together, purl 14, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14 and then SSP. Slip 1 knee twice, slip 2 knee twice and purl these two together through the front back loop. See, we have done all repeats here. Your last edge stitch, slip on the wrong side. See, row 11, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. SSK, knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3 and then here knit 1 and yarn over 6 times, knit 1, yarn over 1, knit 1, yarn over 2, knit 1, yarn over 3, knit 1, yarn over 4, knit 1, yarn over 5, knit 1, yarn over 6 and then knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3 and then here knit 2 together. That's the repeat from here to here. SSK, knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 1, yarn over 6 times, knit 1, yarn over 1, knit 1, yarn over 2, knit 1, yarn over 3, knit 1, yarn over 4, knit 1, yarn over 5, knit 1, yarn over 6 and then knit 3, knit 2 together. Again, repeat that again. SSK, knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3, knit 1, yarn over 6 times, knit 1, yarn over 1, knit 1, yarn over 2, knit 1, yarn over 3, knit 1, yarn over 4, knit 1, yarn over 5, knit 1, yarn over 6 and then here knit 3, 1 2 3 and then knit 2 together. See, and your last edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 12. For row 12, slip your edge stitch purl wise and start the repeat from here. Purl 2 together and purl 16, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. Purl 16 and then SSP. SSP means slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice and purl these two together through the back loop. SSP. That's the repeat from here to here. From here to here, purl 2 together, purl 16, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 and SSP. Again, purl 2 together, purl 16, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 and then SSP. Your edge stitch slip on the wrong side. Row 13, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. SSK, knit 14, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Purl 14, knit 14 and knit 2 together. That's the repeat from here to here. SSK, knit 14, 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 and knit 2 together. Again SSK, knit 14, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14, and then knit 2 together. Your edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 14, last row, slip your edge stitch, start the repeat from here. Purl 2 together, purl 12, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Purl 12 and then SSP, slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, purl these 2 together through the back loop. SSP. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 2 together, purl 12, 2 4 6 8 10 12 and SSP. Again purl 2 together, purl 12, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and then SSP. And your edge stitch, slip on the wrong side. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat this 14 rows, row 1 to row 14, over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after a few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.